And particularly within the EU market space, data privacy regulation in the form of GDPR has been the key factor for change with a number of different areas within operators. Well, there are three things operators need to focus on in terms of being conformant to the EU regulations, GDPR regulations. Firstly, it's about what they do in terms of managing the data of customers. So the security of that data and the ability to save it from a customer-centric viewpoint. The second one is really how they do the operational aspects of that, i.e. conforming to the GDPR regulations means that users can come in and change and edit and see the data available to them. That is a new set of operational processes which they have to conform to. And finally, that data needs to be presented from an individual basis. Now, to date, most data has been stored at an account level. So you might have multiple users within an account, multiple subscribers within an account. But the EU regulation requires that you look at this from an individual perspective because there's different laws based on age and various other things associated with that data. So they're having to change the way they save data. Well, operators who only put the bare minimum in to be conformant to the regulations, I think are going to be missing out. Just a bit more money would enable them to come up with the ability to deal with individuals for marketing purposes, for customer experience, being able to sell and upsell, cross-sell far more products in a far more contextually rich fashion than they are today. And so if they do that, they get actually a benefit out of putting the whole process in place, not just the cost of conforming to the regulations.